What is up, guys? Hooman here, back with another video. Today, I'm heading back to the beach for another shampoo prank. But before we do that, I want to take a second and thank my sponsor, Wow Shampoo, for sponsoring this video. I've been using this shampoo for a few months now, and what I personally love about them is that they contain no chemicals and they're all natural. This freaking shampoo bottle contains nutrients inside it: vitamin B, C, and potassium. It helps remove dead skin from your scalp, as you can see by my hair and my friend Dom's hair here. It also helps your hair grow much quicker and healthier, which is why these guys are top sellers on Amazon. Give them a chance and try them out by clicking the links below in my video's description and using coupon code
Hooman20
for 20% off your order. Now, let's go to the beach and use these 5 million bottles we have here to shampoo some people. Wow Shampoo. Wow.
Wow!
Oh, you're so lucky it didn't come out.
Oh, you freaking kunde. I knew you were gonna try something like that.
Okay, we're filming. We're filming today. We're filming. You're done. You are done. You're done. Bro, I'm supposed to film in the next 30 minutes. That's okay. I'm covered in shampoo.
Oh, you're about to break people. They're about to be covered in shampoo. No. Screw you, bro. No. What the fudge? Look at my back. Look at this. How am I supposed to drive home? I'm gonna mess up my car.
I might as well go shower right now with all the shampoo on my body. I'll see you guys in 20 minutes.
Okay, not like for real. Okay, who the fuck just put it in my hair? Really? Oh, I can feel it. Yeah, I don't even care. All right, yeah, somebody definitely just put that in my hair. It's not funny at this point because I literally can't open my eyes. So can you guys stop doing it or what? I can't even.
I can't see. I can't.
Can you turn the?
You can't see. I can't.
Okay.
Yo, man, is this stuff gonna come out? What the hell? Are you messing with me?
What?
Are you messing with me? Seriously.
You got a lot of shampoo.
Seriously, man. If you're messing with me, I'm gonna be pissed.
I'm pissed with this right now.
Wait, oh, this is my fault?
You trying to blame it on me? What's up with that, man?
Bro, what do you mean? What other obvious explanation is there? Like, this is, because I can't see, I can't even see right now.
I know. You know exactly what you did. You did this.
What?
You did this shit.
Let me get it logical, bro. We got play basketball. Too much. You over here trying to prank me, trying to clean your hair, and you ain't telling me what you got.
Bro.
Watch out, bro. Watch out, I got it all in my hair. Watch out.
Hold on. You making me mad, bro.
You don't matter, bro. You better back up. I'm sweating too.
Bro, come on, fool.
Back up, bro.
Hey, fool. Hey,
no, bro, because I got all in my eyes.
Hey, bro, let me get in here, fool. Let me get in here, bro.
Wait till turn, bro.
Damn, shit keep going out every time I go. Keep going.
Bro, watch out. You got your shampoo. You
Damn,
got your shampoo.
bro. Like, bro, I can't see, fool. Like, you gonna do me like that, dog? Like, come on now, bro. Stop throwing the salt!
Bro, nobody got no fucking salt, bro. What are you talking about?
Bro, you f***ing with me, bro.
Nobody fucking with you, dude.
Bro,
So you go over there and ask one of them.
I'm not playing, bro.
You gotta go ask one of them.
Bro, where the water, bro? Like, come on, bro. It's too much soap on my head now, bro.
All right, bro. Wipe the soap.
Damn, bro.
Too much.
Hey guys, yo, hey, real quick, you guys are on a prank show. I was behind you the whole time putting shampoo on. You're on my YouTube channel.
What?
You're on my YouTube channel. I'm doing a funny video.
What the f you mean YouTube channel? Wait, what?
It's just a funny video, bro.
No, it ain't no funny video because I got all in my hair. You know what I got in my hair? Because my hair be thinning. No, because I don't know what type of shampoo that is. I could be allergic or anything. You don't know what happened.
Look, we got a camera right there. Just want to
That camera.
Come on.
Nah, none of that. That shampoo.
Damn, bro. I did all that for nothing, bro. Like, come on, bro.
I think I swallowed some of it.